Look guys, whole different part of the park. CAA, look at this. Apple crumble, yeah, let's make it. Look at this, look. This is the spot that we sit occasionally and look. Look who's circling. Apple crumble we're making at home, Bobby. Isn't this just the most amazing footage? Look. Now they're hovering around here. Yesterday we recorded them hovering around the other park, just where we were. And now about to sit here, which is a log that you can sit on. Now they're hovering around here. So what's going on, CAA? Your office told me that it has to be a very serious incident for these guys to be doing this. And isn't that eerie? Just as I'm recording them, are they still circling? No, I think they're off. No, they are still circling. Why? How is it possible that a simple member of the public would be documenting footage like this? It's just not possible. No.